One day you notice a crack in your foundation. Then you think about hiring a contractor. Ugh, I know it's a daunting task, but it must be done. Stay tuned to find out how to hire the right contractor. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Hiring someone to do work on your house can be frustrating. In this video, I'll give you the 3 questions you must answer to find the right contractor for foundation and waterproofing repairs. Before we go any further, please give this a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Can I hire any home repair contractor? Technically, yes. You're free to hire anybody that you would like. But we know that our homes are the most important thing to us and our family. It's where we live, it's where we hang out together and where we connect. And so having people that you trust work on your home is probably one of the most important things you can do as a homeowner. So another thing that we have to think about when you're hiring any home repair contractor is their specialties, right? You don't want an electrician coming to fix your toilet. Same thing with water drainage and foundation repair. You don't want a pest control company taking care of moisture in your crawl space. You don't want an electrician taking care of the structure of your home. And so making sure that you have the right contractor at your home, taking a look at your concerns is very, very important when you're hiring a contractor. So when we're talking about reputation with a contractor, it's the backbone of who they are. It's what people say about them. It's how long they've been in business. It's one of the most important things to hiring any company. And a great way to do this is by checking out reviews, talking to different people inside the company and seeing how you're talked to and how you're cared about. And so making sure that you do that homework is the most important thing when you have somebody coming in to work on your home. Warranties are a big subject, especially when you're taking on something that you might not know a lot about. Waterproofing and foundation repair is something that doesn't happen to every home, and when it does, a homeowner usually only experiences it one time and having to fix it one time. And so it's not like changing out a light bulb where you get to test out different contractors or plumbing or electrical. This is something that the first decision is so important to be the right decision. And so warranties get brought up all the time. Are you going to stand behind the work that you do? Now, anytime that you're in foundation repair, such as helical piers or water drainage, these usually come with life of the structure warranties. Now, when we say life of the structure, it's very important. It's not to be confused with lifetime. Lifetime is a lot of times just dictated by the person that makes the product on how long lifetime actually is. Here at AccuLevel, we do a life of the structure. So we're backing it up as long as the structure's standing and it's not tore down. But the warranty is only as good as the company that backs it. So for example, if a company gives you a life of the structure warranty but it's only been in business for 2 years, they haven't really tested that warranty. There's not a backlog of do they honor their warranty? Does their product work because it hasn't even had time to catch up yet? But those are some of the things that really make the warranty more than just a fancy slogan on an advertisement. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about hiring the right contractor for your home repair? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.